It is early in the morning, it's a little after 6. I'm going to the Grand Canyon. I have a Grand Canyon excursion with the Hoover Dam excursion as well. We're going to stop there. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to share with you guys my adventure. I'm going downstairs right now to the meetup spot. I have to meet at like the Uber and Lyft pickup so they can pick me up. And I'm going to take you guys on my journey. I'm up, so I was been up since what, 5:15, and they picking me up at 6:35. That's my scheduled time. They pick up at select hotels, so just make sure that they pick up at your hotel. If not, you have to go to one of the hotels that they pick up, but they pick up at my hotel. So I'm going to fill my water bottle up with some ice. They do offer lunch, breakfast, snacks, and unlimited water, but I'm just bringing this with me for my own, I don't know, satisfaction or whatever. So I'll talk to you guys later when I get to the pickup spot.
Show tickets tonight? I'm not asking you that crap. If you got show tickets tonight, good luck. That's it. It's not going to change my tour. You know what I mean? I'm not changing a tour of 60 people for 2 people to get back and see Carrot Top. All right, now, I'm not saying I hate on Carrot Top or anything. I'm just saying, you know. So we're going to move along. And, man, I hate doing this, but not this job. I won't leave you today. Not only that, I'm not allowed to leave you legally today. I have to wait for it. I don't like telling you guys that. I used to scare the crap out of you guys all the time. Tell you I will leave you. I mean, I would really convince you guys I was going to leave you. I would absolutely have you convinced that I had no emotional attachment to you whatsoever. You would get left. If I tell people if you got left behind, don't panic. There'll be another bus through tomorrow at the exact same time. But the case is, you wouldn't be able to get on. It's full. I wouldn't let anybody on.
So my Grand Canyon tour served us breakfast. For the drinks, we had the choice of orange juice, iced tea, regular coffee, apple juice, hot tea, and decaf coffee. There weren't any substitutions. Next, we had the choice of the type of breakfast, the ranch special, Canyon Scrambler, good old-fashioned pancakes, Eagle Point toast, early riser, and the health nut scrambler. As you can see, those are the choices. I end up choosing the good old-fashioned pancakes along with the orange juice. This is the Omelet House restaurant that we went to. They serve breakfast and lunch, and it's off of like a main highway. There weren't any substitutions on our food. So it came with 2 pancakes, eggs, and a sausage, and a butter, and I had my orange juice. I also had to put salt and pepper on the eggs. It didn't come with any of that. It was an okay breakfast, similar to like Denny's or something. And here is the charter bus that we took. So I just was getting back on the charter bus at this point. So we just came back from having breakfast. It was okay. Nothing I would pay for. Just tastes just like regular pancake, sausage, and eggs. They didn't put any seasonings on the eggs, so I had to add my own salt and pepper on there. But we're officially about to head to the canyon now, and I'm so excited to take you guys on the journey with me. I'm so excited to experience this. So, yeah.
It's breakfast, if you ask me. So there we go. You see that white line? That's where the water used to be. The whole shoreline has been moved in. It is, yeah, people get excited about the electricity from the Hoover Dam and stuff, but the real focus of the Hoover Dam now is to hold on to our water as we dispense it. Like that's it. That's the main focus. That's not power in the strip. That Hoover Dam, there's enough power generated at the Hoover Dam for about 2 million people. We have more than that now that live in Big. So it's mainly, that power is still going out to like Southern California. The rocks out here are andesite and breccia, some of the hardest rock in the world, which is why they decided to put the Hoover Dam out here. They found a nice tall, narrow canyon in Black Canyon. Want Jose to get closer? Another gorgeous view coming around the bend here as well. It's part of the reason I like doing the Hoover Dam in the morning. I have a bus full of hotels. You watch Criminal Minds? Who watches Criminal Minds? Hats and hairpieces, lock them down. The 18-wheelers come flying by, even if it's not windy outside. It looks like it might be a little. You gotta keep walking until you see the Hoover Dam. You go ooh and ah the appropriate amount of times. Take a picture, turn around, come back to the bus. Sound good? Yeah. Then we get out to the canyon. So we're out here at the Hoover Dam. We have to walk up a bunch of steps to get to the actual dam part. There's no pets or anything allowed out here, but I see somebody still have their dogs. People are so entitled and so annoying. Walking across the Matt O'Galligan, I think, and the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. As you know, Pat Tillman, well, you probably don't, he was a football player who was also in the Army. He ended up getting killed when he went over to serve his duty in war. He retired his jersey in the NFL and stuff like that. So, yeah. There she is, folks. First look at the Colorado River. We're going to be on it all day long. Where the bus drops us off at before we go to Eagle Point, which is the first stop. So this is Grand Canyon West.
for Eagle Point?
Hello.
Thank you. I'm okay. How are you? Thank you. So I'm on my way to the shuttle for Eagle Point, which is our first stop. On the Grand Canyon tour. So checking in with you guys. It's not really hot out. It's kind of cool actually. I have my fleece on because it was freezing on the bus as well. We're on our way to Eagle Point, which is the first stop. My phone do not have any service. The guy next to me, his phone had service, but mine didn't have any service. So we're just waiting for the shuttle to pick us up from here and take us to the first stop in the location. It is very, very beautiful out here. Let me try to get a panoramic view. We're at Eagle Point right now. I'm gonna go get some lunch. The lunch is included in the tour. And I'm gonna show you guys what I get, and I'm gonna give you a review of how it tastes. Skywalk Cafe. So I just grabbed the lunch. So it comes with the drink, which is I got a Coke. They gave me a couple of ice. And I chose the pulled pork with mashed potato and gravy and the dinner roll. You can get one mashed potato and one corn, but I didn't want the corn. I wanted both mashed. So yeah, it's very, very windy out here. My hat almost blew off my head, and as you can see, this keeps flaring. So I'm gonna taste test the lunch. I didn't see anybody out here wash or sanitize their hands, so they're not gonna be touching me. It is very windy out here. It's cool in the shade areas. It's a little chilly, and obviously in the sun it's kind of hot, but it's not unbearable. But it is pretty chilly. Okay, I'm gonna try these mashed potatoes first. They're okay. This tastes like regular old lunch school mashed potato. I'll put a little salt on here. They did come with a salt packet with the knife and fork in here. Put a little pepper on it too. So the mashed potatoes, they're all right. So it's pulled pork with the barbecue sauce. Okay. It's like a sweet barbecue sauce. And you got a little dinner roll. I don't think it's like butter or anything. Yeah, it's just a regular bread. I can't really taste anything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the pulled pork inside here and have me a pulled pork sandwich. You know, us black people, we're always inventing stuff and creating our own lane of stuff. I'm gonna trace it, hold on.
Definitely good like that. So yeah, the little lunch is cool, and obviously a Coke. If you drank Coke before, you know how a Coke tastes. We're gonna be out here for 3 hours to explore and get our pictures, videos, and do whatever we need to do. We have to be back to the bus at 3 o'clock or 3:15. Got to take the shuttle back to the main entrance. So from the first point, Eagle Point, and then we're going to Guantanamo or something like that. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Eat my lunch. I did not sign up to do the skywalk, so I won't be doing that. A lot of people are doing that right now. I'm barely on this tour. I'm not going to be walking across a glass floor way above the ground, and I'm afraid of heights. So that's that on that.
So here at Eagle Point, the skywalk is also here. You have to pay an extra $30 if you want to walk across the skywalk with the glass floor. They also have another restaurant inside. It's called the Skyview Restaurant with different options and stuff so you can eat. But the line inside there was extremely long, and also the wait time was very long, so I opted to eat at the cafe outside of Eagle Point, and it was very delicious.
To Guano Point, and oh, that was a steep drive. Guano, they say, is bat poop that's used for fertilizer and bullets for pow-pows, since we can't say that word. And the edges are very, very steep, but it is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at this. I'm not gonna go to the close. I don't want the wind to blow me over. Oh my God, the cloud. This is an amazing excursion, guys. You have to take it when you come to Vegas. I'm not gonna go too close to the edge, because heck no. Look at this fish sitting on the edge. These hoes play too much. Just do not cross. in Guano Point, they do have a cafe here that you can buy stuff. They don't have any ice or anything. They only have like snacks out. You can have any drinks. Or just extra for a couple ice juice. They don't have it. But I'm gonna head back to the main point to get picked up. And I'm leaving this section of the Grand Canyon.
Call it the horseshoe. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, so we already have a horseshoe. The audacity of these guys.
Hi guys, so I'm back in the room after the Grand Canyon Hoover Dam excursion. I am so tired. I did so much walking, but it was a very cool experience. It was very, very beautiful out there. We went to the west end of the Grand Canyon. They have a north and a south end. I don't know about east, but they claim the south one is the best because you can actually hike the trails and all that, but I didn't want to do that. But I did get some great footage, some great photos. I'm going to show you guys everything that I did on the tour from start to finish, from the beginning of the tour. So I'll give you guys the whole insight on that from start to finish of how the tour went. This tour started at like 6:30 in the morning and we got back like 6:30 in the afternoon. It was a very long tour. Well, online it did say it was 11 hours, so yeah. And it was very, very packed out there. It was different tours doing like different things or whatever. So it was like multiple different tours, and then also regular people can drive their cars and stuff there. But I don't know how they GPS there, because when we crossed over into Arizona, once we got in the middle of the desert or whatever, I didn't have any service on my phone. So I don't know how they was able to like map the trail, map the directions to go there, like unless they had like doing it the old school way, looking at the actual map routes, like on like the paper maps, because digital, my phone was not working. I have two phones. Neither phone didn't have any service like at all. It only had service once we started getting back close to Las Vegas, after we crossed through Nevada. Once we started getting back close to Las Vegas, my phone started working. It was working when we was by the Hoover Dam though. But once we actually crossed over into Arizona, it was done for. So just keep that in mind. I did have like some of my friends and family members tracking my location, but as I said, once I got to the Grand Canyon, it wasn't working anymore because I clicked on my location. It kept on saying that location not found, so I was off the map with that. So if anything would have happened to me, they wouldn't be able to track me out there. So just keep that in mind, guys. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to do anything else later today. I'm extremely tired. I know I'm about to take a shower. I was thinking about exploring the Strip tonight, but I don't really think so. It's already like almost 7, and I'm extremely tired. The sun is going down. I have some stuff on my itinerary that I want to do tomorrow, so we're going to see how that pans out tomorrow. I want to go to the pool and stuff, but the pools close at 5 o'clock. That is so weird. Like all these Vegas pools close at 5 o'clock. What's the resort fee for? Like that's kind of crazy. But I want to try to hit up the pool tomorrow. I haven't been in the pool in years. Like years, real years. I can't even think how long. It's been that long. Maybe about 10. And that's being generous. So it might have been longer than that. That's the furthest back that I can remember. So yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys later on if I do something. If not, I'm just gonna grab dinner, take a shower, and probably call it a night and really explore some more stuff all day tomorrow. So yeah, so Thanks for following me along with my journey. I'll talk to you guys later.